The following road project was undertaken in Pulau Merah in East Java, Indonesia. The client, mining company PT Bumi Suksesindo Copper and Gold, wanted to support the local community by rebuilding a vital community road. Only 1 year old, the road was already severely damaged from heavy use by overloaded vehicles. The damage and deterioration necessitated a complete rebuild of the top of the subgrade, base and wear courses. Our Indonesia partner, PT Geoservices, supervised the project. In a region that gets 1,900 millimeters of rain over 185 days annually, tough, durable yet economical road building technologies are crucial. DuraCrete was chosen due to tremendous cost savings, durability of the end product, ease of application, as well as the significantly shorter construction time, thus far less traffic management demands, creating further savings. As the road is both the backbone to the community and provides access to a popular local tourism destination, congestion made the project quite demanding. The original construction plan incorporated reinforced concrete practices and was scheduled to take 3 months to complete. Known internationally as EvoCrete, DuraCrete was developed in Germany and for over 25 years has been applied to roads and civil projects in some of the most challenging environments globally. The advantage of using DuraCrete for the local economy was that all equipment and labour, as well as 98% of the construction material, the cement, were purchased locally. Only 2% DuraCrete cement additive was required to achieve the compressive strength, tensile strength and durability requirements. Some of the machinery used on this project, such as the cold recycler, are not an absolute requirement. Alternative approaches are possible, depending on circumstances, if the application process is followed in accordance with guidelines. By using a DuraCrete and cement mix as an alternative to conventional rebar and concrete practices, the 3-month project was completed in just 3 weeks, facilitating tremendous savings in costs and disruption. A year later, a reliable, solid road, built under budget and ahead of schedule, with reduced environmental impact and a community transformed. DuraCrete delivers a triple bottom line benefit: economic, social and environmental. DuraCrete enabled the project completion in less than 1/3 of the estimated build time, resulting in significant machine, labour and material savings, and ultimately, far fewer disruptions to traffic and the community.